1994 Chevrolet Silverado half-ton extended cab 4x4 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. And listen to this, original mile truck, just a little over 24,000 is all. Clean Carfax, confirms actual miles, also indicates one owner, no accidents, and it shows in this truck. This truck is clean. Underneath the hood, 5.7 liter, nicely equipped. Power steering, power brakes, AC. As you can see, the Grand Prix conversion package on it. Take a look at the grille. Bumper bright work up front, bug shield already installed, and yes, the paint looks like it's wet. Looks as good in person as it does the pictures and the videos. Speaking of pictures, check them out, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. We can see all the still pics. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. As you can see, riding on American racing wheels. Cooper radials. Form-fit running boards. In the still pictures, you're also going to see the window sticker, so you can see exactly how this truck was equipped when it was rolling off the Chevrolet factory line. Garnet interior, bright red exterior, of course, with the graphics. More of the Grand Prix conversion on the interior. We'll get around to the driver's side. I'm going to start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. And if you stick around to the very end of the video, Jason will take you for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. It does have the soft tonneau cover, of course. In the bed, might as well show you that while we're back here. It has a bed liner and a bed mat. So that's like new back there also. And as you can see, receiver hitch with the tow package. I know it's got the oil cooler on this one. You can see that in the window sticker as far as options. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And again, you can see the paint. It's free of nicks, dings, or scratches. And yes, the shine to this thing is amazing. If you like these Chevy trucks, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here. This is a prime example. Recently, I have done some very nice trucks. We've gotten in from square bodies up to little newer body styles. A little bit of everything, gas and diesel. Let's take a look at this interior. All right, so garnet interior. Now, I will tell you this, it gets a little misleading sometimes. Right there, that's the color of that interior. When I get right up on top of it, it likes to wash it out. This is a tough color to photograph, so if you see in some of the pictures where it looks like it's faded, it is not. That washes it out. If I step back like that right there, there's the true color of that interior. And as you can see, there's no rips, tears, holes, really much wear at all. Tilt column. This screen right up here is a backup camera. I'm going to show you how that works in just a second. All right, there's your exact miles, 24,460. Let's fire it up. Again, 5.7 liter, 350. Top of the dash, tell this thing was stored indoors, no doubt about that. AM, FM cassette player. And if I go to click this into reverse, and I've got to show you here, turn it on. This is just a push button right here. So turn it on, plugs into the ashtray. And it says no signal, but let's give it just a second here. There it is. So there's your view of the back. So if you're hooking up a trailer yourself, you do have a backup camera view. Stereo's working, as you can hear. Headliner looking good. No surprises on the interior. Wow. And let's take a listen. Nothing out of the ordinary as far as exhaust sound. Sounds like a stock 5.7 liter from 1994. All right, let's get this hood popped. I want to check out this engine bay. I think we know what that's going to look like underneath there. Let's take a peek at it. Like I said, stick around to the very end. Jason will take you for a virtual ride, if you will. Even look at this hood liner, how clean this thing is. Does not appear this truck's been driven in any sort of inclement weather, no doubt about that. And engine bay, as clean as the rest of it. Amazing. 1994 Chevrolet Silverado extended cab, half-ton, 4x4, Grand Prix conversion, one owner vehicle, clean Carfax, actual miles, a little over 24,000 is all. Call us, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1994 Chevrolet K1500 pickup truck. Beautiful red paint on this truck and graphics. Circa 1994. Very nice condition truck inside and out. The odometer showing some low miles. Cloth. I would call them bucket seats with a centerpiece in between that folds down, wooden style cup holders. All our gauges are working great. The oil pressure is showing about 50, the temperature a quarter of the way up. The battery gauge charging over 14 volts and the fuel tank is full, almost full. Tachometer and speedometer working as they should. The radio sounds good. Got the equalizer down here, cassette player. I have not tested cassettes, but FM working well. The flip out cup holders, always enjoy those. Handy wood trim on the doors as well to match these cup holders. Brakes nice and smooth. Extended cab, probably the most useful style of truck in my opinion for everyday type of use. This one practically a collector based on the condition and the miles. Four-wheel drive, of course, shifter on the floor for that. Cruise control working as it should. You really got to see the pictures to see the condition of this truck. Check those out over at uniqueclassiccars.com.